Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to show the toolbar in Outlook. If you've accidentally hidden your toolbar and can't figure out how to get it back, don't worry. This is actually a really straightforward fix that takes just seconds. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account. Give it a moment to load in all your emails and interface elements. This ensures everything is properly displayed before we make any changes. Now, once your email has fully loaded, let's address the toolbar issue. If you've accidentally hidden your toolbars and are struggling to find a way to restore them, you'll be relieved to know the process is incredibly simple. The Show and Hide toolbar function in Outlook is controlled by a quick keyboard shortcut. To toggle your toolbar visibility, simply hold down the Control key and press F1. That's it. This keyboard combination acts as a switch that either shows or hides your Outlook toolbar depending on its current state. If your toolbar is hidden, pressing Ctrl and F1 will bring it back. If it's already showing and you press these keys, it'll hide it again. This toggle function is really handy to know because it means you can customize your workspace on the fly. If you ever want more screen space to focus on reading emails, you can quickly hide the toolbar. When you need access to all your tools and commands again, just press Ctrl and F1 to bring everything back. The beauty of this shortcut is that it's consistent across Outlook, so whether you're using it for the first time or the 100th time, the same command will always work. You don't need to dig through settings menus or right-click options. Just remember Ctrl and F1, and that's how you show the toolbar in Outlook. It's one of those simple solutions that can save you a lot of frustration when you accidentally hide something important. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.